Hey guys, how to keep your phone screen stay awake? I'll show you two ways. The first way up to 10 minutes and the second way your screen will never sleep. Go to the settings and in the settings tap display. In display settings find screen timeout, tap screen timeout. It's the Samsung phone but you can make it in any Android phone. And we see screen timeout up to 10 minutes. If it is very little for you, you can stay awake your screen all the time. For it, we need to open developer options, return to settings, swipe down and tap about phone. Then tap software information and tap 7 times to build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter your current PIN code and developer mode has been turned on. Return to the settings and swipe down once more. And we have developer options. Tap developer options and here we have option stay awake. Our screen will never sleep while charging. Turn on this option and your screen will never sleep while charging. If you have any questions, write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.